Hi, Pastor Nick and friends at Christian Life Assembly in Tehachapi. We want to thank you for supporting John and Judy Heidi for the past number of years in our missions to reach the second half generations in America. Those that are 50, 60, 70, 80 plus. Do you know any? Look around your congregation. We want to focus and see that every second halfer in America gets to hear the gospel. For the past several years, we've been working in Yuma, Arizona. Every winter we're there for several months as the snowbirds come down from Canada and all across America, from Maine to California. Many of them don't go to church, but they come to church at Yuma, and we want to reach them with the gospel. Your prayers and support has helped us for these many years, and we are so grateful. Judy's going to share another ministry that we have on the border.
This is a ministry that it's for children, but it's for seniors to be involved with, and it's called Dress a Girl, and you may have heard of it before. But they take men's shirts, and sometimes they use material, but a lot of times they take men's shirts and they make dresses out of it for little girls, and they have a pocket and they put a toy of some kind in the pocket. And they say that a lot of these children, they don't have a personal space of their own. They don't have a room of their own, whatever. And so that pocket is their personal space, and they can put things in there that's just for them. And it's a great ministry. It's helped a lot of kids to not be sex trafficked, because they say that whenever they see a child that's dressed nice, they're not as likely to bother them. And so it's a great ministry.
Perhaps your church would want to be involved. There's also a little thing called the message box. It's like a little cube, but it has a message about Jesus, about creation, Jesus on the cross, raising from the dead, and then it leads the boys and girls in a prayer. This one's in Spanish.
En el principio creó Dios el cielo y la tierra. Él creó a los hombres.
And they can listen to this over 1,000 times, share it with their friends and other people. Their family listens to it. And your church supporting us has been able to continue to do this. We've passed out hundreds of these and over 100 dresses in Mexico this past year. Thank you, CLA, for helping us to preach the gospel.